I heard 2016 makeup was coming back and I came running. As always, I'm starting out by priming my eyelids. Going in with a neutral lighter brown through the crease. I really just want a base color to blend off of. This color looks like a navy blue in the palette, but it showed up more purple on the eye. This eyeshadow is a metallic, so I had to swipe it on before blending for the best color payoff. Softening the edges with the light brown. Using a metallic lilac on the lid and blending it into the dark purple. Going back and forth with both of the purples to get the smoothest gradient. Highlighting the brow bone with a frosty cream color. Repeating everything on the other eye. This is Chloe, my 9-year-old yellow lab mix. She enjoys watching for leaves to bark at, snacks, and carrying around her green squeaky bone. Using a hydrating primer since my face is more dry in the winter. Concealing everything. 2016 makeup was very full coverage and bold. Everything. I'm doing a 2016 inspired, but with 2020 for techniques kind of look. I'm not going super harsh with the contour and brows like we used to. I'm still doing a slightly glowy base. It just looks better than the super matte base makeup that was trendy. Like in 2016, I still bake. My T-zone gets toily if I don't. Lightly dusting powder on the rest of my face to set every hang before I use other powder products. Framing the bottom lash line. Highlighting the inner corner, it was very important to a 2016 look. Bronzing up the perimeters of my face and sides of my nose. Adding lots of blush, because I've always loved blush. Using a highlight all over the high points of my face, loose highlights look best when you buff them in. Melting everything down. Lightly filling in my brows. I refuse to do them how people did them in 2016. Really harsh block brows aren't flattering on me. I like to keep them more natural. Using a brow wax and slightly fluffing them to make them look thicker. That's a newer trend, but it helps make my brows look even. Lining and tight lining with black. Finishing the eyes with my favorite mascara. This is the best one. Favorite brown nude lip liner, then my favorite nude pink lipstick. This is my perfect lip combo. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. She saw a cat.